Hey, darling. Hey, have you seen my beer? Ah, here it is. Oh, hey, what are you guys doing here? This one, no, this is we were just about to partake of Holy Communion. Isn't that right, darling? Yeah, you know what, guys? We're all going a bit crazy, isn't it? Being locked up at home. But you know what? We would love to hear from you. So just reach out to us. Give us a message. Give us a call. We want to hear from you. We want to pray with you and just be connected with one another because that is what church is all about. You know what? This Sunday morning, I believe you have to tune in at 11 o'clock because I'm going to talk about the power of prayer. And I believe that is exactly what we need to do. Pray. So Sunday morning, 11 o'clock, tune in. God is going to speak powerfully into our life. Amen. God bless you. I love you guys. See you. Honey, you ready for the communion?